So I have shown you like how we can find the frequency of a string. So here our the requirement is we need to find the first unique character in a string. So approach is very simple. Like here A, B, C, this he has given that string. So here what we have to do, we need to find that C per one time and P per one time. So we need to print C. The approach is same like before watching this video, just watch my previous videos like how we can find the frequency. So if you get to know it after watching this video, come to this video, you will check like we are using map entry point entry set. So what I am doing here, entry dot get value I am making as 1 because we need to find unique value that is one occur one time. Here if you see D occur one time, or here we can see C is also there. C occur only one time. Right, wait here one time. So C occur one time. So what we are doing, we are writing condition like entry dot get value is equal to 1, then only we are printing this. So we want only what we want, we want only C. So what we have to do after this, we need to stop the execution. For stop the execution, we need break. We use break, we can stop the execution like on. We will able to see C. Sometime the interview will ask you print T. So what you will do? We can't use this approach. So what we will do here, thing is, we will use one quant. Like quant is equal to 0 here. In quant is equal to 0, we will assign. We will use after this. We will use one more condition. If quant is equal to 1, then only it will print. Here what we will do, here we make quant plus plus, right? Now print this and write this. Oh, we are getting some error. I think, yeah, error was found. Want this. There is some issue. I think found. We need to use if this for 1 second. This one we need to use. T is equal to 1. So based on the point, we will get to know like we need to print second value, third value. If you want to print third value, use to 3. So like this is the way like to write the logic. So thanks for watching. Share to your colleagues, friends.